Unlocking the mystery of interrogative adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we will be delving into a very interesting topic in our Grammar Fundamentals unit, interrogative adjectives. Understanding and using interrogative adjectives correctly can greatly improve both your written and spoken English. So, what exactly are interrogative adjectives? Well, interrogative adjectives are adjectives that we use to ask questions about the noun they modify. They help us make our questions more specific. In English, we have three main interrogative adjectives: which, what, and whose. Here are some examples. 1. Which book do you prefer? 2. What color is your car? 3. Whose jacket is this? In each of these sentences, the interrogative adjective is asking a specific question about a noun. Now that we know what interrogative adjectives are, let's discuss how to use them. As mentioned earlier, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. They always come before a noun or a pronoun. Let's examine this with examples. 1. Which dress should I wear? The interrogative adjective, which, is modifying the noun, dress. 2. What time is it? Here, what, is modifying, time. 3. Whose pencil is this? And here, whose, is modifying, pencil. So, remember, the interrogative adjective always comes before the noun or pronoun it is modifying. It's very important to know the difference between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. They might look the same, but their uses are different. An interrogative adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun, while an interrogative pronoun stands alone. For example, consider these two sentences. 1. What book are you reading? Here, what, is an interrogative adjective that modifies, book. 2. What are you reading? Here, what, is an interrogative pronoun, as it stands alone. And there you have it, an introduction to interrogative adjectives. These are a crucial part of asking questions and making your English more fluid and natural. Practice using them in your daily conversations and writings to really get the hang of it. As always, remember that practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.